Jira Kanban tutorial for beginners. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the Kanban board in Jira to create tasks, add details, move cards between sections, and use automation to manage your workflow. So we first get started by logging into Jira and then open the Jira project you want to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this project here. Then at the top of the project, you want to go ahead and click on board or board view to go ahead and open up your Kanban board where you can manage your tasks visually. So we can go ahead and move these around. If you don't see board here, that's okay. If we come over to the right, click on the plus icon and it might be situated here. So if you see board or boards view board, just click onto that and then you're going to come over to your Kanban board. Now, once you're in this board view, you're going to see your work organized into different sections. So you're going to have your to-do list, your in progress and done. Now, if you want to go ahead and create a task on the board, you can. So you can click on any one of these create tasks. So you can click on create what needs to be done. Say cleaning, we can add more and click on plus. Now, if you need to add more details to the board, go ahead and click onto it and then we can add a description, add some subtasks. Linked work items, we can see the activity, and to the right we've got the details as well. Now we can also move cards between sections. So as you work on a task, you can move it through your workflow. Say for example, if you're in progress of cleaning, you can move it over here. And then once you've finished the cleaning, you can chuck it over here in the done pile.